Is your Xfinity Stream app on Apple TV giving you trouble? App crashes, login failures, and buffering are common headaches. The most common cause is outdated app data, authentication issues, or DNS misconfiguration. First, try completely uninstalling and reinstalling the Xfinity Stream app. This clears out corrupted data and resets permissions, often resolving installation errors. If that doesn't work, sign out of the app and then sign back in using your Rogers Ignite TV credentials. This refreshes your authentication and can fix login problems. If reinstalling and signing in didn't work, the problem might be your DNS settings. DNS translates web addresses, and incorrect settings can block the app's access. On your Apple TV, go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, Configure DNS, Manual. Change the primary DNS server to 8.88.8 Google DNS or 1.1.1 Cloudflare. These are reliable and often bypass ISP-related issues. After changing the DNS, restart the Xfinity Stream app. This forces the app to use the new DNS settings. If you're still having problems, consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection.